welcome back again to Aii Talks Season 2. And yes, we are still here and we have another special episode with two of our students from Choi Chung-va campus. Ladies and gentlemen, please say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Kindly introduce yourself first.
Hi, I am Sukha Alita Cohen and I'm 16 years old and currently I'm in grade 10 right now.
Hello everyone, my name is Pich and I'm 16 years old and I'm currently in grade 11.
Oh, wow. Both of you are 16, sweet 16. Okay. Why do you think we called it sweet 16? Do you know? Do you know why it's called sweet 16?
I have no idea.
Let me tell you the truth about that fact. Basically, normally at your age, it's where everything blossoms, okay? A new friendship, a new love. Okay, see that faces? Okay. Are you guys single?
Yes.
Oh, wait, there's like, yes, like a little bit of loading zone right there. Yes, okay, yeah. Okay, school and education is your top priority, am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, your parents must be so proud, and I'm really happy that both of you are focusing on your studies. But before we go to those serious matters, I like to know a little bit about your social media. Do you guys both have social media accounts? Okay, because I wanted to stalk them. Okay, I'm just kidding. Basically, I wanted the people to kind of know you. If you're open to that, maybe for new followers, maybe after we air this, you might be getting new followers out there. Don't be a snob. Be friendly, okay? May I have your social media account if you don't mind? How do we follow you?
On Facebook, Facebook or Instagram.
Okay, and you guys will see it right here, okay, on the screen. And how about you?
Oh, I have Facebook and Instagram, but I don't use Facebook. I only use Instagram.
Oh, very private. Instagram actually is being used for me, like for most of like trendy type of citizen nowadays. They kind of use Instagram. Does it look cooler in Instagram?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll switch to
fun.
Instagram.
For me, I feel more comfortable using Instagram than
Yeah.
Facebook.
Okay, so it's like Instagram gave you like safe zone or comfort in a way. And then in terms of like stalker-ish, you don't get much of that in the Instagram, right? Because like you have an option either to just being following them or being followed by them, something like that, right? And then your messages are quite private, okay, correct? Unless you accepted them. Okay. I think Facebook has that option too nowadays. They're encrypting it. Do you know the word encrypting? I also don't know. No, whenever you say encrypting it, they're making it more secured in terms of, you know, who has access to communications. Okay, but let's not talk about that. What matters most is that you are here studying in AI Language Center. That's so nice. How long have you been studying here?
I think maybe 4 terms until now because I just moved from abroad.
Oh, from abroad. Which country did you study before?
Canada.
Canada. Okay, let me just correct my. Oh, I'm just kidding. Okay, so from Canada. So you studied high school in Canada.
Yeah, I take a short exchange program.
Okay.
Maybe 1 year.
Oh, tell us a little bit about this exchange program that you studied about.
Actually, I am the one who applied for myself. So my parents and I decided, okay, they want me to go to take a short exchange program. So then we decided like in 2023, December, I left Cambodia and then I go to Canada.
So it's a short program. And out of that short exchange program, what did you learn?
I do learn a lot. I can say that the first one is I meet a lot of people from different countries, and I also join a international community where other people get to experience exchanging their study as well. And on the other hand, I think I involve in different kind of community volunteer activity as well, like going to some events, joining the fashion show, be a assistance for some events like that.
Okay,
and
so
I
there's
love
a
to do
lot
that.
of
Yeah.
immersion happening. Wow, okay. I love that. Okay, you're very active and I hope you can bring that in here in AI. We want more students who are like that, very engaged, very active. So in some way we can influence them. And all of these things that you've learned from that culture exchange, hopefully you can bring that into our school, okay? Pinky swear? Okay, I love that, but don't you know, in MJQE, in Mengli J Quick Education, there is also what you call SOGO. And SOGO is study overseas, go overseas. Oh, free promotion. Okay, with SOGO actually, we bring students also to study abroad. So anyone right there who would like to be interested in a culture exchange program or studying abroad, don't hesitate. Check out SOGO, okay? You better check out SOGO right there. Okay. Now, going back to you, how long have you been studying here in AII?
I can say almost a year now, and I have pretty good experience in AII.
1 year,
Yeah,
okay.
1 year.
So, what level are you now in AII?
Level 12, GEP 12.
Okay, you're about to graduate.
Yes.
Oh, that's sad. We would like you to stay longer. Teachers, can you not give him a passing score? No, I'm just kidding only. Cameraman, can we give a close-up shot to him? He kind of gives you a Song Kang vibes right there, right? Do you know Song Kang? I think he's the character in one of the shows. Okay. He's very popular now. And yeah, he kind of do you think there's a Song Kang vibes in him? Yeah, there's an Oppa vibe, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Can you call him Oppa?
Hi, Oppa.
Okay, that's so cool. Okay, so both of you have vast experience here in AI. Which one is your favorite activity so far?
Personally, I think field trips.
The field trips, okay. So we should make more field trips. Let's make field trips every day. Okay, so what's your most favorite activity or part in the field trip? Where did you go?
To Đông Nát Đầm Rầy.
Okay, so what did you guys do there?
Actually, the fun part is that when we have food and then we eat together in a circle like that, and then we
Yes.
can get to chat and share things together.
A community of learners having fun together.
And also taking a photo.
Yeah, I think there is a misconception about having fun and not learning. I think nowadays people misconstrue that fact that there is actually learning while you're having fun. And I think that's one thing that I would like to clarify. Those were the days that, we have to like sit still like this and then teacher and then like that, very controlled environment. I think those were the days where education is like that. Education nowadays is more flexible. You can learn anywhere, not only in the four walls of the classroom, but also outside. And field trip is one of those ways wherein you can learn your natural soft skills, communication skills, interaction, dealing with people, right? Okay, wow, fantastic. Okay, I think I enjoyed more the field trip side. Okay, now, one big question for the two of you, because both of them look very good looking. Well, actually, the three of us look very good looking. Let me just fix my hair. Okay, the three of us. No, okay. The two of you look very good looking. Do you think if you will only be given a chance to choose good looks or intelligence, which one will you choose and why?
What if I choose both?
Cannot. Cannot bomb.
I think I
God,
go.
I believe God is merciful and gracious, but sometimes in a question like this, you have to choose only one, okay?
I think I choose intelligence.
Intelligence.
And the reason I choose
So I will get your good looks, huh? Imagine putting your face to my face. Okay, I don't know how it would look like.
So the reason I choose intelligence is because that when we have the knowledges and the logic that we are having, we can use it to, make something that we can use our intelligence to make us looking better.
Okay.
Like we know we have the knowledges of taking our skin, we have the knowledges of, preventing, bacteria, diseases that goes into your skin and make it horrible. Yeah. So when you have intelligence, you have the logic to make yourself look beautiful.
Okay, so basically you will use intelligence so you will look beautiful or handsome. Makes sense, okay, I got that. So later on you will get both. Okay, you tricked me there, huh? Okay, how about you?
I think I also choose intelligence
Come
because
on.
if you have
Am I the only one who looks? I will choose good looks, honestly.
if you have intelligence, it's already make you beautiful from inside already.
Yes.
That's the point.
I see. Like, real beauty actually is the beauty inside, right? Okay, the kindness, the purity of your heart. Okay, then we'll go to the last question then, since we're talking about beauty, intelligence, and kindness, what's the most beautiful thing that ever happened to your life? Tough question,
Okay, I think I go second, you go first.
Go first. Ladies first.
Lady first.
I think the most beautiful thing that happened in my life is that I get a chance to go out and see the world, like go to Canada like that.
That opportunity is the most important and beautiful for you. Okay. And then how about you?
Considering the fact that I am a good son, so my life feels so good when I see my parents happy for me. Like I used to get number 1 in my class, and then they are happy till the point that they tear up.
Oh, you're so pure. Okay.
Because I used to be
Just being born as a son of your parents is the most beautiful thing. I wish I could say that too.
I used to be, I was not doing well in classes, so I changed that mindset. I set a goal and then accomplished it eventually, and then I showed my parents what I accomplished, and then they tear up, and that's the moment I realized that that was the best moment of my life.
Can we? For me, actually, there is a way to change, and you're right. Changing the perspective, the mindset is the most important thing first. Before you can actually move ahead, you need to do that first. And wow, good for you, at the age of 16. Okay. Now, where do you study your Kamai school? Because you said you were actually doing well with your Kamai school. Where do you study?
I just enrolled in the new generation school.
New generation school. What is the new generation school? Is it like the new school for the mutants?
The fact that I just enrolled, so I am not really that sure.
Okay. Let me ask a little bit about that. What's the new generation school? Okay. So the new generation school, I think, is a new initiative coming from the Ministry of Education, wherein schools in Cambodia, some schools in Cambodia, not all, some schools in Cambodia will have a full day class, right? And they will be doing it from morning till afternoon. So it's the same setup how other Asian countries are doing, like in the Philippines, we have a full day school. And then in the US, as I know, they have a full day school from morning till afternoon. So with that, don't you worry if you still like to study in new generation school and would like to level up your language skills. AII is offering evening classes as well. And here in Choi Chong Va campus, you also have evening classes. Do you study here in the evening or in the morning?
I'm in the morning.
How about you?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. So now that you will be studying in the new generation school, how will you study in AII?
I will change to part-time.
To part-time?
Part-time.
Okay. So don't leave us yet, okay?
Yeah, I won't.
Okay. So thank you so much. And now, I think we'll just do a little bit of tour around. Can you tour me around this beautiful place here at Churchong Va? Okay, this is your new building, right? Okay, fantastic. We'll have a little bit of tour, guys. So let's get it on.
Are you ready for the tour?
Yes. So
Let's go.
let's do this. And which one is our first stop?
The Rooster Cafe.
Oh, the Rooster Cafe.
Yeah.
So it's right here. Okay. Hi. Let's go. Okay.
So,
Basically, most of our students and parents, whenever they wait, they can go and buy some coffee right here,
Yeah.
right?
right.
Okay. What's your favorite coffee flavor so far?
Mine is green tea. I love green tea.
For me, iced latte.
Iced latte, green tea for you.
Yeah,
So
green
it's
tea.
not coffee.
It's,
Do you sell green tea here? They do.
Yeah, they do.
Okay. Oh, these are very, very nice. I'm about to say that too. Is it going home time now?
yes.
Yes, okay. So I'll see you around. Bye-bye. Okay. The teacher, I think, does not know that we are here. Hi, good morning. Okay. Oh, look at that.
I always read my book at afternoon.
Very
Very
nice.
good.
In the afternoon.
Afternoon.
And what about you guys? What do you always do?
I always read books before
Oh,
sleep.
you also read books.
I
Yes.
often listen to music.
Okay. Me, I always just make people laugh. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye, kids. See you again. Bye-bye. So now that we visited all the classrooms, not actually all, some classrooms, it's about time to say goodbye to the two of you. I have to head back to the headquarters. Okay, so good luck to the two of you, and hopefully you have a wonderful hosting experience, okay? This has been Jake for Aii Talks. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.